Since there are never enough hours in a day, the better you manage yours, the more time you will have. It takes clear goals and good habits to make the most of your available time. With everything going on around us, wasting time is easy, but with a little bit of effort, you can manage your time like a pro. Review the action steps listed below. Know what you really want. It may seem obvious, but frequently there can be a large gap between what we actually want and what we think we want. Spend time introspecting about your ultimate goals. It will be time well spent. Create goals. That means lifetime goals, 5-year goals, yearly goals, monthly, weekly, and daily goals. Each goal should have the necessary steps to achieve it. The fact is, without clear goals, you will waste a great deal of time. At the same time, remain flexible to making changes when circumstances call for adjustments. Review your working environment. Is it geared to saving you time or wasting it? Make whatever changes you can to optimize your working day. We can always improve our professional skills to maximize productivity. Those who are already where we would like to be are frequently the best teachers. The people you associate with on a daily basis will have a large impact on how you manage your time. Choose wisely and in your best interest. In some instances, you may need to choose selfishly. If you're managing other people, you are managing their time as well as your own. Don't micromanage, but know how your staff is spending their working hours. This video has dealt primarily with managing your business time. However, you have a personal life as well, and you want to get the most out of it. You are more productive when you manage your working hours, and the same is true for the rest of your time. You may never have considered managing your personal time, but you have much to gain by doing so. The techniques are much the same. You start with your long-term, mid-term, and short-term goals. These could be a second house, a car, new furniture, or picking up groceries for the evening. Let's say you want to buy a house. What are the steps necessary that will allow you to do that? First, you need a budget. What items in your life can you eliminate to meet that budget? Are you able to forego weekly dinners out in order to put more money aside? Then you need to decide what type of house and in what neighborhood. Consider commuting, schools, and other interests. Outlining these steps will help you achieve your goal quicker than you may have thought possible. The same is true for short-term goals. If you go to the market without a clear idea of what you will be buying, you'll be wasting a great deal of time. More than likely, you will also not arrive home with the needed items, which may mean a return trip. This is wasting a good part of your day. Start with a list instead. Know what you want and focus on your shopping. That means no cell phones. By being prepared and focusing on the task at hand, which is picking up things for dinner, you will be done faster and more efficiently. Managing your personal time allows you to spend more time with family and friends, and that is the ultimate goal of a successful personal life, isn't it? It lets you define your purpose and enjoy the rewards you deserve. If you enjoy hobbies and other forms of entertainment, you will have more time if you plan ahead and actually set a schedule, creating the time you need. Many of us go through our personal life hoping haphazardly to fit in some gym time or personal reading time without planning ahead. Invariably, something comes up to ruin our day. With the schedule, you can be better prepared to handle all your personal tasks and still indulge in some luxury time. Managing your time for greater productivity takes a little effort, but it can bring tremendous rewards. We hope this video will set you on the right path.